Problem 5. Believing AI is a magic wand that is better than people. Now, the C-suite is looking for productivity gains. They believe the magic bean sales guy that says AI will make 95% of your replace with whatever department head they're talking to redundant. Now, AI automates tasks, but tasks are not the same as a job. Completing tasks isn't the same as working with skilled workers. However unskilled you feel some roles may be. Refer back to the Taco Bell incident. So CEOs who go hard in on AI may repent at leisure. Consumer financial products services Klarna rolled back its efforts to replace customer service agents with AI after bravely admitting it had prioritised cost reduction over quality. It now uses AI to augment support workers instead. Artisan's Stop Hiring Humans advertising campaign generated a significant backlash, and Duolingo's CEO faced a hostile reaction after suggesting AI would replace expert linguists, then rolled back his AI-first memo. Sacre bleu. Now, customers, including your employees, in some demographics are likely to be AI sceptic. Edelman's 2025 Trust Barometer global survey shows fewer than 1 in 3 people globally describe themselves as enthusiastic about AI, with 1 in 3 sceptical and the other third in the middle. This data skews more towards sceptic in Europe, North America, and certain demographics, including women and older workers. Customers are watching how brands use this technology, and some are pushing back. So most people don't believe the hype because they aren't seeing the gains, particularly at work. MIT's study showed that 95% of AI pilots are failing to achieve their expected return on investment. And a study of AI agentic tasks found a task completion rate of just 2.5% for very basic freelance assignments. In one case, an agent was asked to produce an 8-minute video and delivered just 8 seconds. That sounds like a good wheeze to reduce the amount of work you need to do. AI is not replacing most jobs, despite CEO claims and earnings scores. It's automating some tasks within jobs, and that distinction matters when making calls on resourcing. The sweet spot is finding automation that complements the expert, like legal regulatory lookup tools, coding review tools, or brand checkers that can help with content adaptation and checks. Resist the pressure to add AI into everything customer-facing, like chatbots that don't let the user easily connect with a human operator if they prefer to, or in some cases might need to for accessibility reasons. AI tests need to be shielded away from the customer until they're fully cooked, tested, and ready to hatch.